Learn Welsh. Can equals.
Gallu.
Say I can with confidence. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to boost your Welsh superpower? Let's make can equals.
Gallu.
Feel easy and fun. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, printables, and extra drills. Quick warm-up. A tin can walks into class and says, I can? The teacher smiles. In Welsh, you're.
Gallu.
Exclamation mark quote. Let's roll. Your goal today. You'll leave saying every form of can with a grin. Keep it light, speak out loud, and enjoy the ride. Topic. English Welsh modal ability, can equals.
Gallu.
Targets to say smoothly. I can, you can, singular, he can, she can, it can, we can, you, plural, can, they can. By the end you'll use.
Dwi'n gallu. Wyt ti'n gallu? Gallu. Gallu. Gall. Rydyn ni'n gallu. Gallwch. Gallan nhw.
Mini dialogues, can in action. Listen, repeat, and smile. Short scenes, big wins. At the pool, I can swim. Quote.
Dwi'n gallu.
Nofio. Asking a friend, singular, can you help? Quote.
Wyt ti'n gallu?
Helpu? About Tom, he can fix it. Quote.
Gallu.
Druzy OE. About Sarah, she can drive. Quote.
Gallu.
Giru. About the app, it can sync. Quote.
Gall.
Gaidamzaru. Team plan, we can start now. Quote.
Rydyn ni'n gallu.
Decrow nor. To a group, you, plural, can take photos. Quote.
Gallwch chi.
Dinu uniao. The guests, they can come early. Quote.
Gallan nhw.
DDODYN Ginner. Forms you need, quick map. Here's your pocket cheat sheet. Read them once, then say them twice. Base form, can.
Gallu.
To be able to. I can.
Dwi'n gallu.
You can, singular, friendly.
Wyt ti'n gallu?
He can.
Gallu.
She can.
Gallu.
It can.
Gall.
We can.
Rydyn ni'n gallu.
You, plural, can.
Gallwch.
Often said as.
Gallwch chi.
Ellipsis quote closing parenthesis dot. They can.
Gallan nhw.
Speed drill. You say it. Fast but friendly. Say the Welsh out loud right after the beep in your head. I can help. Answer.
Dwi'n gallu.
Helpu. You can, singular, read. Answer.
Wyt ti'n gallu?
Darlin. He can open the door. Answer.
Gallu.
Agar ydrws. She can swim fast. Answer.
Gallu.
Nofion gi flime. It can start now. Answer.
Gall.
D crow nor. We can meet tomorrow. Answer.
Rydyn ni'n gallu.
Cwrddy 4. You, plural, can begin. Answer.
Gallwch chi.
Decrow. They can arrive early. Answer.
Gallan nhw.
Gyra eddyn ginner. Culture tip. Confidence, Cymru style. Make it memorable so it sticks. Tiny story, big anchor. At the Eisteddfod, a choir steps on stage. The director whispers.
Rydyn ni'n gallu.
And the hall goes quiet, then boom, harmonies. Next time you face a task, nod like a Welsh pro and say.
Gallu.
Under your breath. Quick quiz, call and answer. You've got this, answer, then check. Q1. What's the Welsh base word for can, ability? A.
Gallu.
Q2. Say, I can. A.
Dwi'n gallu.
Q3. Say, you can, to one friend. A.
Wyt ti'n gallu.
Q4. Say, he can, and she can. A.
Gallu. Gallu.
Q5. Give, it can. A.
Gall.
Q6. Say, we can, you, plural, can, they can. A.
Rydyn ni'n gallu. Gallwch.
Opening parenthesis slash.
Gallwch chi.
Closing parenthesis comma.
Gallan nhw.
Final challenge plus goodbye. One last push, then we celebrate. You're nearly there. Challenge. Say these 3 in Welsh. 1. We can finish today. 2. You, plural, can take photos. 3. They can help later. Sample answers. 1.
Rydyn ni'n gallu.
Gorffen heddiw. 2.
Gallwch chi.
Dinu uniaw. 3.
Gallan nhw.
Helpu ynddi wederak. Nice. Remember, can equals.
Gallu.
You just used every form. I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you, plural, can, they can. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, downloads, and fun challenges. Synapse Lingo is cheering for you, T in gallu. Ch.4